In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a QR code on SurveyMonkey. Whether you're creating a survey for a small business, a class project, or just for fun, a QR code can make it much easier for participants to access your survey directly from their mobile devices. Let's dive into the process step by step. To begin with, open your preferred web browser and head over to the SurveyMonkey website. If you haven't been there before, simply type in surveymonkey.com into the address bar and you'll be taken to the home page. From there you'll see an option to log into your account in the upper right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on that. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one, but for today we'll assume you already have one. Next, instead of entering your email and password, opt to log in using your Google account for a smoother and quicker experience. Click on the Google option, then select the Google account you wish to use. After logging in, you will be directed to the SurveyMonkey dashboard where all the magic happens. Once you are in your account, the next step is to navigate to the design section. This is where you can start building your new survey. Click on Create Survey if you are beginning from scratch, or select an existing survey you wish to generate a QR code for. Next up is collecting responses. Look for the Collect Responses tab, which is usually found in the main toolbar of your survey editor. Once you're there, select the Web Link Collector. This option will help you create a unique link that can be converted into a QR code. Within the web link settings, you'll see many options to customize your link. An important step is to click on the pencil icon, which allows you to rename your link. Renaming it makes it easier to manage and identify in the future. After you've given your link a suitable name, don't forget to click on the Save button to store your changes. This is a crucial step to ensure everything you've set up so far is captured and ready. Finally, you're ready to download your QR code. Look for the option that says Download QR Code, click it, and your unique QR code will be generated. This code can now be integrated into any print media, digital platforms, or wherever you see fit to reach your intended audience. Before closing, it's important to note that generating a QR code through SurveyMonkey is a feature exclusive to premium accounts. If you're using a free account, you might want to consider upgrading your plan to access this feature. That's it for creating a QR code with SurveyMonkey. By following these steps, you can efficiently distribute your surveys and gather feedback. Thanks for watching and happy surveying.